Hello everyone, my name is Setiawan from grade 6A. This time I want to make sunny side egg and toast. In here I need a pan, a egg, butter, salt, flavoring, bread, and oil. First of all, I put the pan to the stove and I pour the oil and turn on the stove. And wait, the oil will hot. When the oil is hot, we will put the egg to the pan. And don't forget to put salt and put flavoring. If the egg is cooked, please remove the egg. In this, I want the egg is half cooked. And this is sunny side egg. And also, I want to make a toast. In here, I will put butter into the pan. And turn on the stove again. And wait till butter is melted. And if the butter is melted and hot, put the bread into the butter. If the bread is golden brown and cooked, you can flip it. Here I want to put the butter again. If the bread is golden brown, you can into the flat and the egg. And that is the delicious breakfast. Thanks for watching. I'm Azriel Setiawan from grade 6A. Goodbye.